Hey, it's Chad. Today I'm going to review the Stackable Bottle Organizer 4-pack. This organizer has been a game changer for keeping our kitchen tidy and well organized. I really like its versatility too. It can accommodate various bottle sizes from 12 ounces to 32 ounces, which is perfect for our family's needs. What's even better is its stackable design allows us to customize it to fit our space. Each layer holds up to 4 bottles and provides us with plenty of storage. Additionally, the grooves on the shelves securely hold the bottles in place, preventing them from rolling and causing a mess. Overall, this organizer has really helped us reduce clutter in our cabinets, and we also really like the value you get with the 4-pack. I would highly recommend them and absolutely give them a 5-star rating for their functionality and efficiency in kitchen organization.